Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to look like grayscale on your laptop screen. So let's get started. So firstly, go to Start menu. Here you will type for settings. Tap to open it. Now click on accessibility. Here you will see color filters. Click on it. Now you will see color filters preview. Just turn it on. Then scroll down. Here you will see grayscale. Click on the grayscale. You will see all the screen will be in the grayscale mode. Also you can select grayscale inverted. Then the screen will be in the black. If you want to reset it, just turn off the toggle and your screen is back to normal. And that's it. That's how you turn on your laptop screen black and white. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.